Dewdrop blossoms on and off all year, making it an extraordinary and pompous bush. You can utilize it as an example plant, blend it in with different plants in your scene, or plant in succession for a house cultivate style fence. This bush can be restrained with ordinary shearing and molding for a progressively formal look. Or on the other hand, use it in an easygoing setting with its common frame held in line with a periodic trim. Visit trimming can evacuate blossoms and berries, so endeavor to time hairstyles after a sprout cycle. Another approach to trim is simply clip off the berry bunches, in addition to a touch of branch, when the berries are past their prime. This will leave the branches genuinely long, however energize crisp new development and additionally blossoming. These purple blooming plants are butterfly attractors you can add to your finishing or to a committed bed for butterfly plants. The bloom petals are little and the berries won't drop off and they make a wreck, so this bush can be put almost a porch or walkway without making additional maintenance. Other than trimming back wayward branches every now and then. What's more, giving it space to spread out so it doesn't infringe on pedestrian activity. Regions will downplay this task. The leaves and berries contain poisons and ingesting them can hurt individuals and pets, so remember this while picking a place to plant. Brilliant dewdrop can likewise cause skin aggravations in a few people, on the off chance that you have touchy skin. Wear gloves when trimming and dealing with. Plant specs. Brilliant dewdrop develops quick, however it very well may be kept in the domain of 5 to 6 feet. It can become wide on the off chance that you let it, or keep it around 4 to 5 feet in width. Cool tolerant, it will do fine in Zone 9B and southward. Plant care. Include topsoil or natural peat greenery joined with treated the soil bovine compost to the opening when you plant. Trim as frequently as the plant needs it for looks and complete the hard pruning in spring, late March or early April, for generally measure. You can rehash this hard pruning in late summer, before mid-October, in the event that you like and if the plant's size warrants it. Plant dispersing. Dewdrops ought to be planted 3 to 5 feet separated in case you're planting them in succession. Permit 4 or 5 feet of room between this bush and close-by plants so the dewdrop's rich development doesn't overpower them. You can put littler bushes 3 feet away in the event that you plan on utilizing them as underplantings, keeping the base of the dewdrop trimmed back and the main a more extensive covering. Place brilliant dewdrop something like 3 feet out from the house,